Meaning of fur.
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 Fur. Fur refers to the short, thick hair found on many animals. It is typically used for warmth and insulation in cold environments, and is often used in the production of clothing and accessories. The quality of fur can vary depending on the species of animal it comes from, with some being more prized for their softness and texture than others. While the use of fur has been controversial due to concerns over animal welfare, it remains a popular material in the fashion industry and among those who value its luxurious and cozy feel.